Did you know one of America's first and most important cookbooks was written by a formerly enslaved woman who couldn't read or write? Her name was Abby Fisher, and her story is absolutely incredible. Born into slavery in South Carolina in 1831, Abby Fisher developed extraordinary culinary skills. After gaining her freedom, she moved her family to San Francisco, where her cooking became legendary. She started a successful catering business, won awards at state fairs, and became a celebrated figure in the city's high society. But how did someone who couldn't write create a cookbook? Her wealthy patrons loved her food so much, they insisted she preserve her recipes. So, in 1881, she dictated her knowledge to a group of friends who transcribed everything for her. The result was what Mrs. Fisher knows about old Southern cooking, one of the very first cookbooks ever published by an African-American woman. This book is more than just a collection of recipes for things like chicken gumbo, terrapin stew, and her famous pickles. It's a historical treasure. It documents the sophisticated culinary traditions that African Americans developed and carried with them, blending African, European, and Native American influences into what we now call Southern cuisine. Her recipes are precise and detailed, showing a deep understanding of ingredients and techniques that were far ahead of their time. For decades, her book was lost to history. Only a couple of copies were known to exist, but thankfully, it was rediscovered and republished in the 1980s, allowing us to finally give Abby Fisher the credit she deserves. She wasn't just a cook, she was a master of her craft, an entrepreneur, and a true pioneer who shaped American food culture. Her legacy proves that some of the most important voices in history are the ones we have to listen for the hardest. So, next time you enjoy a plate of classic Southern food, think of Abby Fisher, the woman who literally wrote the book on it. Her story is a powerful reminder of the resilience, creativity, and incredible contributions of African Americans to our nation's history. Thanks for watching! If you found this story as inspiring as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more hidden histories. See you next time!